Hello friend, how are you today? Welcome to Malindo Toys. Okay, welcome to Malindo Toys channel. Okay, Uncle have Matchbox new. This Matchbox series is MBX RoadCrew 2. Yes, MBX RoadCrew 2. This one have truck, pickup, bulldozer, and trash cleaner. Okay, let's unboxing these new toys. Okay. Yes, we already opened it. Okay. Let's mention one by one. This is a truck. Truck for bring the goods, bring the something bulk on another item. This one. Okay. This is usually for bring the coal and soil and other goods. This one is this one. The name is MG1. Huh? No. MPX Turf Hauler. This one. The name is MBX Turf Hauler. Yay! This truck MBX Turf Hauler. This one, yes, you can see here. Okay. The next is INC. This one. What is this name? This name is Ford F-150 contractor truck. Yes, this is for contractor to bring the cement, bring the tools to the work. This one. This is kind of pickup truck. This one. You can see here. This one. Wow, this is Ford pickup car. Okay. I repeat again. The name is 2015 Ford F-150 contractor truck. Yes, made by Matchbox. Okay, Thailand. Production of Thailand. And the next is what is this name? (2007) Honda Ridgeline. 2007 Honda Ridgeline. This is not Ford but the Honda. Wow, Honda also have the pickup. Uncle just now this. Wrongler. Very detailed. Wow. Honda also have pickup. This glass is open. No glass in the front, and the second line have glass. This one also rooftop. Rooftop can open. This is bring the tools and another goods. This is Honda. Okay, the next is wow. This is Bulldozer, friend. This is Bulldozer. Wow. You know Bulldozer? Wow. Very details. Okay, let's find the name. Groundbreaker. Okay, what is that? Groundbreaker. Yes, made in Thailand. This is like Bulldozer, but no, this is Groundbreaker. Groundbreaker for breaker the ground. Yes, like this. Okay, like the same function like a bulldozer. Okay, this is the tire. Have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. Okay. Last is this one. Yes, small car. No, this is not car. This is vehicle for cleaning, cleaning the ground, cleaning the floor. Matchbox INC construction. What is this name? Okay, let's find the name. Okay, wait. FYP 44. This name is FYP 44. This is for cleaning the road. Yes, this is for cleaning the road. Oh, wow, very small. Oh, very small. This is cleaning the road. Take the garbage, take the trash. Okay. So we have 5 new toys. A Matchbox MBX RoadCrew 2. Yes, MBX RoadCrew 2 from Matchbox. So we have 5 new toys. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, friend. So wow, let's working to cleaning and repairing the road, and you can enjoy the good road every day to school. Okay, friend, thank you very much. See you again. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Bye bye.